Investometrix Group presents Level 1 and Level 2 Prep courses for the Certificate in Investment Performance Measurement, CIPM. A prep material is designed to provide a guided path to exam success and make your study more efficient. The courses were carefully crafted by our team of industry professionals with the use of visual memory approach to make a memorable, lasting impact that will span long after the exam date. Our CIPM prep courses also include study guides with achievements and progress metrics to help you keep your study goals on track. The candidate will have access to study tools, including video lectures and study notes that cover all the study sessions, readings, and their learning outcome statements as per the latest version of the curriculum. Furthermore, each topic is followed by practice questions and constructive feedback. Join us now and receive unlimited access to the prep material until you pass.